Hi, my name is Nurfati Aini Betina Hizam and I'm from class BA 2425A. The topic of this video is Malaysia on becoming a high-income nation. First, we need to know what gross national income is. Gross national income, GNI, is a simple term. It's the amount of money earned by a nation's citizens and businesses total together. The purpose of GNI is to measure and track the nation's wealth from year to year. Both the income of gross domestic product (GDP) and the income from foreign sources are included in this number. According to the World Bank, as of year 2020, the threshold to be classified as a high-income nation are shown here. And this is the current gross national income. So, in order for Malaysia to have the required GNI per capita as stated by the World Bank, another 1,335 US dollar, which is equals to 5,340 ringgit Malaysia, will be needed to be added from the current threshold level in order to be defined as a high-income economy. The issue that may holding us back from getting this status is the issue of income inequality. Bank Negara Malaysia reported earlier this year, 2020, that the cost of living in the capital was over 3,262 ringgit Malaysia, nearly 3 times the current minimum wage of 1,200 ringgit Malaysia. Currently, the average household income was around 4,259 ringgit Malaysia. The data of average household income does not, however, estimate with the gap between the poor and the rich in mind. In order to properly measure whether the citizen had the ideal wage to support their living, looking at the median salaries would be the better indicator. The median salary in Malaysia is currently around 2,000 ringgit Malaysia, which means that half of the population earns less than that. In order to know the exact state of income inequality in Malaysia, the use of Gini coefficient, which is a standard measure of income distribution across population segments, are used. Based on the graph of Malaysia's Gini coefficient from 1970 to 2014, it shows that the income gap in Malaysia is getting smaller. Even so, if we were to compare with other Asian countries' Gini coefficient, we place in third highest. There are several actions that can be taken in order to reduce the issue of income inequality in Malaysia. The first recommendation is by increasing the income taxes for those in the top income bracket. Currently, our tax rate for this bracket is 25%, much lower when compared to other Asia countries like Korea and Thailand. Next, to increase educational attainment. Higher education equals to higher income, as proven with the fact that Malaysians with a bachelor's degree make about 84% of the middle and upper classes. As getting higher education is not easy, the government should work to make higher education more accessible while maintaining high quality standards. Lastly, by increasing the government wealth distribution efforts, it has been proved that increasing government expenditure on social programs reduce economic disparity and poverty. Overall, we conclude that in order for Malaysia to achieve the goal on becoming high-income nation, the issue that had been highlighted need to be dealt with. Even though state issue may not be completely solved just by reducing the problem to an ideal state, every year is more than enough. That's all for me. Thank you.